How to add icons to drop-down menu items in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that for different themes, for themes that are like Horizon, and also other things like Dawn theme and so on. So there are going to be two separate codes, and you just want to use the appropriate one for it. So the first thing that I need you to do is, I'm just going to do it for Horizon and then explain also for Dawn theme how it's going to work. So either way, you simply just want to go to online store and view it. Okay, so for Dawn theme and other themes, you simply just want to memorize the name of the menu item itself. So in this example, test, and the other one is test 2. But for Horizon, what you want to do is know the path for it. So you can see if you click on it, this is the path for it, /products/golden bracelet. So whichever menu item is going to have this basically path related to it. So for example, this one is /collections/all. So basically you just want to know this for this tutorial. Okay, so next up, you simply just want to visit this site, uxwing.com. This is going to be able, basically just so you can find an icon to use. So you can just look up any icon that you like. I'm just going to go for this one and click on any icon that you actually like. Next up, once you actually select an icon that you like, go down to the download PNG, and if you find copy link, sure, click on that. If you don't, just click on view page source. Scroll down, don't click on this one. Scroll down until you find .png links, which should be right after one another, like this one right here. So this is the link that you want. As you can see, it ends with .png, and if you click on it, it's actually going to open up the icon for you. So this is going to be the link that we need. So again, simply just copy this entire link right over here. You can just right click on it and click on copy link address. Okay, so now we get to the final step. Again, you're going to find two different codes, one for Horizon theme, one for Dawn theme, or the likes. It doesn't have to be Horizon or Dawn. Just try one of those codes and it should work with your theme, hopefully. So let's just start with Horizon theme and customize it. So as you can see, these are going to be the things that we need to adjust for this code. First, the path of the product, which in my case, I already showed you. If you just hover over this, we can see that at the bottom, it says /products/golden bracelet. If it's another one, it's going to say products golden ring, for example. If it's the home one, it's just going to say, it just depends. For example, this one is /collections/all. So just go ahead and get the path for it and add it in the code. And same thing for the other one right over here. You just want to basically duplicate that twice. And lastly here, you simply just want to change this link to the link that we just got from the website, which is going to be for the icon. So once you change those things, you simply just want to copy the entire thing. Just make sure you copy it and go back to your Shopify admin. Simply click on the three dots next to edit theme, click on edit code, and you want to basically look up either base.css or theme.css or style.css. In my case, it's base.css. So just look it up at the top, click on it, and scroll down to the bottom of it. So just make sure you go down to the bottom, as you can see, and go down until you find the last line. You can create some space between that, and basically just paste in this code right here. So let's say you want to add another item. You simply just want to copy this entire thing and paste it right down here, and just replace the things that we just talked about. But in my case, I'm just going to leave it as one item and click on save. And we are pretty much good to go. Before we continue, let me just explain the other code real quick, what you want to change. Again, it's going to be the same stuff that are highlighted here. The XYZ, you simply just want to replace that with the name of the menu item. So in my case, we simply just want to hover over it and see which item we want to, in this example, test, as you can see. So we just go back to the code and replace these two with test. Once you do that, the only thing left for you to do is basically just change the URL, and we are pretty much good to go. Just do the same steps, go to base or theme or style.css and paste that to the bottom. It's pretty much the same steps after this. And if we just hover over it, we can see that it does actually work, and it's going to have the icon that we just added to it. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.